Thank you so much to Bhaktavatsalam sir, Namaskaram, to Ganesh Anna, Namaskaram Ganesh Anna, and of course Venkatachalam Mama. Thank you Mama, and all the audience that has come here. I'm really grateful to all these Vidwans for being here, particularly Bhaktavatsalam sir, who's like he was ready at 12:45 a.m. wearing a kurta and applying vibhuti, and as though he's attending a live concert in front of, and if he's here in person, I mean that atmosphere is completely electric. He will bring joy just by his very presence, his energy, and everything would have been even one level higher. So unfortunately, this pandemic and this B1, B2, travel ban, everything puts, so much challenge. Bhaktavatsalam sir, I'm always eternally grateful to you. You have been, for 20 years, sir has been involving me in his school programs. I was nothing at that time. Sir was involving me. Oh, he said, come on, play this concert for my school. So he has, for 20 years, every year he has called me for his school programs, which is, this is, then from there I saw, oh, this is how you do Layam. This is how you teach a student. This is how you do an Arangetram. I mean, sir is a genius. Genius as an artist, genius as a guru, and a genius as how to mingle with people. I mean, he's really a genius. So look at sir, he's young, youthful person. He's still youthful, but he's there in India joining us. How many people will do this? No, not many people will do this. They'll say, okay, send me a recording, or I will do a recorded video and you can play the video there. So he sat with us for our practice. Sir is incredible, and hopefully, definitely next year, we will bring him to Austin and to Texas, and we will have a live program right here. So I request the Austin community to support that. I also thank Ganesh Anna for his very kind words. He always has so much insight to give. Last time in 2018 also, when he came to my students, Arangetram Sham, Ravi Dutt's Arangetram, he gave some very simple points. He said, if you play 10,000 times, you will get some magic. If you play 1,000,000 times, you will get a miracle. Okay, this is true. And even though I was, 35 plus years at that point, I didn't know that. That shows my ignorance. And Anna opened my eyes at that time. And from then on, all my students, minimum 300 times, minimum 400 times before they come and talk with me after a lesson. Minimum. And then, of course, even then it's not enough. I mean, it's not that easy what we are doing, right? So this is the insight that Ganesh Anna gave, and I'm trying to take it forward and for myself and for my students. So thank you, Anna, for your insight. And today also he gave so much insight. So every time he gives me, little bit of nugget of knowledge which will hold me for 10 years' time. So thank you, Anna. Thank you, Venkatachalam Mama, for your insight about what Layam and Mridangam adds to the concert. Mama is such a great patron of the arts, and he's always got something so much to share with all of us. And he, with Kiran Nivi, being his students also, he was like, of course I'm going to come. And so that's his enthusiasm. But I think, this is the enthusiasm he has for the arts. And thank you, Mami, also for accompanying Mama. So, yeah, thank you. I want to thank Kiran and Nivi for doing such an outstanding job. Oh my goodness. They are superstars, and I am very lucky that they have come for my school program, and they have sung repeatedly this week Oh my goodness, anytime I ask them, come on, we have to sit down, they'll be like, okay, let's do this. And then it's like, even yesterday night, we were going until 11:30 p.m. because we wanted to make sure everything is set properly. So they have left no stone unturned to get Krish to where, to this point. So thank you, Kiran and Nivi. Their parents, their parents have also are very good friends with Mridula and me, and they have, the kind of discipline that they have brought them up with, as Anna said. I mean, it's just quite phenomenal, just the practice and the interest. Thank you, Kiran and Nivi. Sandhya ji, thank you so much for coming. She's our Laya Sagaram's Asthana Vidwan. Thank you so much for supporting at all times. She was also, so many practices that we had this week, and she was even willing to bring a spare mridangam for this day, through her husband Srinath, who's also a fantastic mridangist. So she was willing to bring, but just the kind of support, the readiness to do whatever it takes. Because with this pandemic, it's difficult to get the instruments from India. It's just very, very, very hard. So, but she was willing to. She's like, okay, well, I can easily bring it. Thank you so much, Sandhya ji. Really, really appreciate it. Thanks to Medha for joining at the, yesterday. She came for the first time. She's like so enthusiastic to put the tambura. Thank you, Medha. Really appreciate it. I also want to, speak a few words. Oftentimes, people ask, why do an arangetram, right? As a guru, I'm asked through my students and their parents, why should I do an arangetram? Am I going to become an artist? That's not the point. Nobody knows whether they're going to become an artist or not. Okay, that's the truth. Even I don't know, right? Many people don't know. Nobody knows whether you're going to become a Sachin Tendulkar or not. Nobody knows, right? You have to just put your best efforts and keep moving forward, right? The guru will guide you, the community will guide you. As you experience more and more, that's how you grow. It's not like, oh, only if I become an artist, I will do an arangetram. That's not it. I did my arangetram in 1992. I was in 8th grade at that point. I didn't know whether I'm going to play, 30 years from then, I'm going to be in Austin, doing an arangetram for one of my students. That's not the point. We don't expect results. It will automatically happen. We just keep doing our job, right? So this arangetram is a celebration. It's a celebration, right? Of Krish's humongous effort that he has put. Humongous. I have no words to express, because every day he will be on Zoom with me for 3 hours. 3 hours, non-stop. He will just be sitting and playing. I will check in on him. Hey, is this coming proper? He will just be sitting there. Sometimes it will be over lunchtime. Sometimes it will be over dinner time. There's no stoppage. Every day, 3 hours for like 4 or 5 months, non-stop. How many children will have that discipline? Not many. Really not many. How many parents will have that discipline? Not many. So we have to give Vidya and Guru this tremendous effort that they have put with the pandemic, with this COVID. I am in, Oregon, time difference. It's just, so hard. So it's a celebration of the effort that he has put. And of course, it's the learning that he has done. I mean, the learning he has gone through on the last 4 or 5 months is phenomenal. I mean, it's like probably 10 years worth of learning packed into 3 months. Okay, and the siddhi he has done is also phenomenal over the last 3-4 months. The siddhi meaning the practice, the discipline, the perseverance. It is just phenomenal. I'm sitting there. I come maybe once a month to just check in on him. So this is why we do this. It's a celebration of him and all of us together. So I want to, I want to congratulate Krish. You did well. This is only the first step. I also told him, a lot of people will tell you played very well. I told him they're saying out of courtesy. Because I don't want him to like think, oh, this is it. So he needs another 15, 20 years of learning, plus after that also. This is just the beginning. So Krish, you have a long way to go. So, tomorrow we will have class again. So thank you so much. Of course, I want to thank Vidya and Guru for all the efforts that they've taken, and also Krish's twin sister, Kriti, who's right here, and she has sung songs for Krish 50 times, 100 times, like that. The same song she will sing, and Krish will practice and then get it right. So Kriti was the first artist that Krish accompanied. So Kriti gets a lot of credit for where Krish is right now. So I want to, of course, I want to thank my wife, Mrudula, who's right here. Get up, Mrudula. Yeah, thank you. So, I mean, she has been, a rock for me, the support, and, she has taken care of everything in the house and taking care of Tarun. I can never repay her for all the things that she has, done for me, and for our Layasagaram school, and all my students, right? Taking care of the students, taking care of of me, so that I can be at my best position. I also want to thank my parents, of course, my mother and father, and my gurus, Palgat P.K. Shekhar, T.K. Murthy sir, and V. Suresh, for all the, charity they have done for me all these years. So really thank everyone. I thank the Austin community. There have been several people who have helped Krish practice. Aditya is right here. He plays fantastic violin. He's a student of Manu sir, who's also here, and he's running a very successful school. Thank you, Manu sir. And I want to thank also Sindhu and her mother Swati and the family for helping Krish train, and also Dikshita and their family Vidya for helping train Krish. So it really takes a village to bring up a student. So I thank Shantan. Yeah, I thank Shantan sir and also Raj for the fantastic audio and video. So I really appreciate it. We do have two or three more songs, but that we have prepared. But I know it's going long. But Kriti has come and prepared with one song. Please bless her as well. So Kriti, do you want to come?